Eze Stephen Agabige.Ikenga Eziawa.Eze one of Bariga. Eze ndị Igbo na Bariga LTDA Lagos State. Afa business mbụ Lamp World, the Lamp World Integrated Limited. Anyị na-azụ ahịa na anyị nwere offices. Our head office is 43 through 45 in Igbo Street, Lagos Island. Our branch office is in 183 Agabige.Ikenga Road, beside the Bovard Filling Station, second floor. I am with the biggest lighting shop in Norway at 21 Wedra Road, first floor. Mobile branch office at 58 Igbo Street, Idumota, Lagos Island. Ọkụ anyị na-azụ bụ anyị na-ebute ọkụ from Turkey and Germany, then maybe about 20% from China. Ọkụ anyị na-azụ anyị na-ebute chandeliers and oriri nne with a high quality choke that can be dimmable. Our transformers, you can dim it, you can lower it. That is when it's too bright, you can lower it. And the only way delay, only highway in about delay. That delay is the open never with ọkụ. Open the ọkụ are suitable for the light, it won't come out. It will delay for some time and collect the light, it will be very okay. Then on the page. Oh, electricity. Ọkụ anyị na-ebute bụ electricity ọ bụ. But if you want inverter machine, you can as well power it. You can like as well power it. As I'm talking to you, no current never and on time inverter. Never with a walk, you can as well power it. So overall restriction. Or that's a late walk. Every light carry it. And then I make it job when I the voltage here it can be like from 190 volts. So that no matter how low is the current, it still come up. I debut switches and sockets. Like Maris is our product. I debut here from Turkey. Any Maris product has on switches and sockets with a 10 years guarantee. Then I want over BG switches and sockets. I would show the distributor of BG switches and sockets in Nigeria. I am an area. Is any BG product over 30 years guarantee. When we mean 30, we mean 30. We don't just say it for 10 seconds. So any BG product over Ezro from us. Thanks. That guarantee is thanks. And once that guarantee, when anything better, because somebody might have over here. And when fault along the line, bring it, we are going to change it for you. Without squeezing our face. Then I name smart switches. Smart switches and sockets. The ones you can program. Wherever you are, even if you are abroad, you can off light in your house and be on it. And where smart switches and sockets. Smart. You can put it on your phone and control it from wherever you are. Yes, we have two colors for now. We have black and the white. But to Maris and the BG product, I wear in 5 colors: white, black, gold, silver, and the coffee. Only land on stock any country. I need a fan from Germany. The advantage on our fan about over the Kunyan or Papa, never go over and never empty Papa, only over and never to wear walk. Never wear talk, it doesn't up itself. Okay, Chere, if I buy a way. All the now couldn't the fan and doesn't and never walk with Papa on it. One doesn't never wear talk or guy. Or if I buy a way today. So it's a quality added to it. Yes, the guy don't need my hair. I get deliver her. It depends on the location. All the within Lagos Island, only within Ikoyi, you can give free delivery. But all that here can go to the Alaba International. We can charge you like 50% of the delivery. We don't call the yes, I am wearing dinner as well here in Port Harcourt. So when you of our product, anyị ga-adara etigito ndị nọ na Port Harcourt na-azụ ya. Ọ bụghị na ọsọ adị Abuja ka ị nọ. Ịchọọ onye emergency, anyị nwere ndị na-azụ ahịa na Abuja. Anyị ga-atụ go to this office. They will attend to you. There's a need around this price. So provided you have our price. If you go there, they can actually give you some price. Yes, I know the lamp word, every line will business. Then even now going to tell the business, yeah, this is our business, all the challenge, that's not the capital intensive, because it is fancy, all the fancy. That's all the young boy in the 20, 10 wine, man. Okay, the bag. Okay, the bag of women are having, almost a woman are having. Now, no one because we cannot even maintain together. So, all code is very challenging because it's something that has to do with fancy design comes every day. And you know, when you are making choice for millions of people. There is no guarantee that when we bring those things that you will have booked, that the people that is coming will like it. Then when we bring and discover they don't like it, you still go and they bring more. So it's capital intensive. If anybody that want to go into life business, if you really want to go into life business, liking business, you have to be ready for it. And then financially demanding. Yes, and the more don't want to in the there is no shortcut to success. Success is a due process. If this thing is like this, it will be like this. If it's not like this, it cannot be like this. So, as a young guy that is coming up, what you need is that's the process of making money, follow that process. People like us, we started this business. I done it when I was 20 years. 20 years ago, I've been in this business. And this is my 39 years in this field. These are processes. This is a process of having. I served my master for like 9 years and 4 months. I was settled, and when I was settled, I wasn't settled with job. We started what we call outside here. As we're doing that outside, we should be able to get a job. From here, we started growing before the business becomes like this. But some people will see us today and think that it's magic. There's no magic in life. Any money you have by magic way will definitely go by magic way. So there is no shortcut to success. Success is what? The due process. That is my advice to you. Yes, ndị na-afụ m ndị ihe na-eme na-amasị asị na Chukwu ga-edozere m ụlọ n'ụbọchị nke taa. Mgbe ọbụla ị na-arụ ụlọ, ihe ọbụla ị na-eme, chọọ ịzụ ọkụ bụ original one. Remember lamp word. That name lamp word. Either here, I was in charge of DVDs, switches, and sockets. I was in charge. Marriage product. All marriage spotlights have 5 years guarantee. I mean POP light. All marriage switches and sockets have 10 years guarantee. It's only us can give such a guarantee. And those two I say, I am going to church, I am church. You won't have a problem that you complain and get back to all. You can as well match church, change your area to make sure that you come back to God because you know you both and one good thought. That's another. However, how much are you any problem with any of our customers? And may it never be our portion in Jesus' name. Yes, I have a dream story where this is our phone number. Our phone number is 080 330 35 825 or 080 52 51 5275. Thank you very much.